This week in math, we will be adding and subtracting lengths. For Monday, complete the following slides, show your work on a separate piece of paper, and send a picture of your work to your teacher on Dojo or in an email. Let's start by solving these equations. 27 minus 9 equals what? And 7 plus what equals 41? Pause the video and take a moment to try solving the problem. Okay, let's review how to solve 27 minus 9. First, I took 27 and I subtracted 7 to get me back to the nearest 10. Then I noticed I only subtracted 7, but I need to subtract 9 total, so I have to subtract 2 more. So 20 minus 2 equals 18. So 27 minus 9 equals 18. For the next problem, I need to find for the missing number, 7 plus what equals 41. So I start at 7, and if I add 10, I get to 17. I can count on another 10 and get to 27. I can count on another 10, and that brings me to 37. I cannot do another 10 or I will have gone too far, but I know that it'll take me 3 more jumps to get to 40, and then 1 more to get to 41. And if I add 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3 plus 1, it shows that it took me 10, 20, 30, 33, 34 jumps to get to 41. So 7 plus 34 equals 41. Here's our problem for today. The tail of a toy alligator is 6 inches shorter than the rest of its body. The rest of its body is 32 inches long. How long is the alligator's tail? What is the problem about? The problem is about a toy alligator. What are we trying to find out? We're trying to find out how long the alligator's tail is. What information is important? Well, we know that the alligator's body is 32 inches, and we know that the tail is 6 inches shorter than that. Pause the video and take a moment to try solving the problem to find out how long the alligator's tail is. Let's share how we solved the problem. I know that the alligator's body is 32 inches long, and I know the tail is 6 inches shorter than that, so I'm going to subtract 6. I'm going to use an open number line to show my work, so I'm going to start at 32, and because I'm subtracting, I'm going to go backwards, and I'm going to take 2 away to get me to 30 because it's easier to subtract from 30. And then I know that 2 plus 4 equals 6, and I've already subtracted 2. So I have 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 29, 28, 27, 26. So the alligator's tail is 26 inches long. How did you solve the problem? To look ahead, we can also add the two lengths together to find the total. It says write and solve an equation to find the total length of the toy alligator. The alligator's tail is 26 inches, plus the length of its body, which is 32 inches, equals, let's do our math. So I know that 20 plus 30 equals 50, and I know that 6 plus 2 equals 8, and if I add 50 and 8 together, I get 58 inches. Try this one on your own and send it to your teacher. How would one measurement of the whole alligator compare with the solution to your equation in problem 2 above? So how would the length of the alligator in all look the same as the length of the equation that you solved on this page? Remember to show all your work and send a picture of your work to your teacher on ClassDojo or email.